everyone, so today I am back with another squishy haul, and this time I bought from a bunch of different shops on Instagram and Akari, so I'll be linking them all down below in case you want to check them out. First, I bought a bunch of these little poly macarons from Squishy Puffin. Here is the purple one with a hot dog design. And then on the back they always have this little chef sticker. And here is this super cute tag. And this is super squishy and pretty tiny, but I still think it's really cute. I have the pink design in a taco, which I think is so cute. And I love how crisp all of the packaging is. It's super satisfying. And they're all really textured as well. Then I have this yellow design, and this one is like a soda cup design or something. And these all have the same little tags. And then lastly, I have this little orange design, and this one is in fries. As an extra, he also gave me this really cute decoed Pooh Bear toast. And this one is really soft, but it's not too slow rising. Then off Akari, I bought this pastel cupcake, and this one is really pretty. I think the colors are so cute. And then here's the classic Sammy tag. And this one is really soft and so rising. And there's this cute little strawberry on top. Then I got this rainbow colored one. And this one is a lot denser than the other one. I got this rainbow donut or bagel. And this one isn't that so rising, but it is pretty soft. And then here's the back. As you can tell, it's super nicely shaded and textured on the back. Then I got this pink design, and this one is really cute. And this one is really slow rising. Then I bought a bunch of common squishies, which I actually haven't had in a while, and I just wanted to use them as stress squishies. So first I have this little pink squirrel, which is kind of funny looking, but it's still cute, and it's holding this giant acorn. As you can tell, it is super soft and slow rising, and it also kind of smells like popcorn. Then I bought this jumbo loaf of bread, and I'm pretty sure this is a replica, but it does have this Hello Kitty tag. And this one is just really big and super fun to squish. And it's also super textured. Then I have this jumbo strawberry, and it's just multicolored and really shiny and pearly. And this one is super soft and slow rising. Then I bought this rainbow cake squishy, which I'm pretty sure is a replica of the Chawa one. And this one's actually kind of dense, but it's still super slow rising. I also got this little tart squishy, and pretty sure this is from Soft and Slow Squishies. Then, as extras, she gave me a bunch of these little mini squishies. So first is this really cute green Winnie the Pooh squishy. And it's really slow rising. Then there is this mini panda bun with a pink bow. And then lastly, there is this cake roll thing. I'm not really sure what it is. It's super soft though, and it's really slow rising for how thin it is. Then I got some squishies from Kawaii Delights. So first I got this Claire's Hello Kitty donut in the rainbow design. And the packaging on this is so crisp. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, it's so satisfying. And then here's the tag. And it's actually kind of dense, but it's still really squishy. And I've been really liking the recent Claire squishies that are coming out. I think they're super cute, especially the Hello Kitty designs. And then I also ordered this Hello Kitty hamburger, and this is way bigger than I thought it would be. It's like the size of my hand. It's also super detailed. And again, here's the tag. And this one is actually pretty slow rising. Next up, I also bought from Pure Next Mochi. So here's the squishy I bought. It's another Hello Kitty donut, but this one is just a different design. Again, they are actually pretty squishy. I also got this I Bloom Tea Time teddy bear, and this is the banana design. I've actually been meaning to get one of these for a while now, so yeah, I'm kind of late to the party. But the packaging is super cute. And this is so soft. So here it is, and it smells like banana haichu. It smells really good, and it's so textured and detailed. It's super airy and really soft, and obviously really slow rising. So that's everything for today's squishy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more frequent videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!